So today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do some kayaking, then we're going to do some drone footage, and then we're going to try and get a beautiful sunset on the time lapse. So that's what today's video is going to be. So bear with the video because it'll be okay. Alright guys, speak to you later. Bye. So it's another beautiful morning here at Arisaig. Oh, look at this today. Beautiful. Plenty of people out canoeing. A few out in the bay there. We're going to get ours blown up today. Getting all set up. Ready. So here we are now, all blown up. Ready to go. So here we go. Come on. She's getting in. Get in.
Go.
Get in. Don't fall over. Ooh. Oh, hold on. Oh my God. Now get on your seat, woman. Look at that little otter. Yeah.
Is it?
Baby otter.
Isn't it?
Hold on, isn't it?
I just thought, what's that?
It's it.
Yeah.
Slow down. Hey. You see him?
Yeah.
Look at that baby little otter.
And you zoomed in.
He just noticed us then, didn't he?
Yeah.
Hey.
Jesus. I just thought that surely can't be a rock moving.
It's a baby otter. Mum and Dad will be about somewhere. Oh. Wow.
You'll have got that.
Hopefully.
I just thought that rock's. What is it?
Yeah.
That's unreal, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
He was swimming at the.
Between the islands we go. A few people out here today. Boarding. Zub boarding or whatever you call it. Paddle boarding, so Sue tells me. Canoeing. Sue's paddling. As we go. There's Silver Sands campsite. Here we are. Look at how clear this water is. Beautiful. There you are, Sue's kayaking us home, paddling us like a Trojan. We've been out for a couple of hours on a great kayak up to Port Doran. Now we're going to go home for burgers and fries. Can't wait.